To integrate Monday.com board settings, start by logging into your Monday.com account and navigating to the board you want to customize. The board settings are where you can control the layout, features, and permissions of your board. First, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your board and select Board Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open the Board Settings panel, which is divided into several sections. The General section allows you to edit the board name, description, and tags. You can also set the board type, which determines the layout and features available on the board. The Columns section is where you can add, remove, and customize the columns on your board. Columns are used to display different types of data, such as text, numbers, and dates. You can also set the column width and alignment to control how the data is displayed. The Groups section allows you to organize your items into groups, which can be used to categorize and filter items on the board. You can add new groups, edit existing groups, and set the group layout. The Integrations section is where you can connect your board to other apps and services, such as Google Drive, Trello, and Slack. This allows you to automate workflows, sync data, and receive notifications. The Permissions section is where you can control who has access to your board and what actions they can perform. You can add new users, edit existing users, and set the permission level for each user. To integrate your board settings, start by identifying your goals and requirements. What do you want to achieve with your board? What features and layout do you need to support your workflow? Once you have a clear understanding of your goals, you can start customizing your board settings. Add columns, groups, and integrations as needed, and set the permissions to control access to your board. Best practices for integrating Monday.com board settings include keeping your board organized and clutter-free, using clear and concise naming conventions, and setting clear permissions and access controls. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a customized and integrated board that supports your workflow and helps you achieve your goals. Remember to regularly review and update your board settings to ensure they remain aligned with your changing needs and requirements.